Feeling tired all the time? Gaining belly fat no matter what you eat? Or maybe your drive, in every sense, just isn't what it used to be? These aren't just signs of aging, these are red flags of low testosterone, and most men miss them until it's too late. So in this quick video, I'll show you the 5 most common signs of low testosterone and, more importantly, how to fix it naturally and effectively. First up, constant fatigue. If you're dragging through the day, even after 8 hours of sleep, low T might be the culprit. Testosterone fuels your energy at the cellular level, so when it's low, you feel it everywhere. Next, low sex drive and performance issues. Not feeling in the mood? Struggling with performance? This is one of the most obvious yet most ignored signs. Third, belly fat and muscle loss. Men with low T notice more fat piling up around the waist and less muscle even if they hit the gym. Fourth, brain fog and depression. Testosterone impacts mental clarity and mood. Low levels can make you feel foggy, moody, or even depressed. And finally, poor sleep and recovery. Can't fall asleep or wake up feeling exhausted? Your hormones could be out of sync. Alright, let's talk fixes. Number 1. Improve sleep quality. Get 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep. No screens 1 hour before bed. Sleep is where testosterone is naturally produced. Number 2. Lift heavy and sprint. Resistance training and short bursts of intense cardio have been shown to boost natural T levels. Number 3. Eat smart fats and zinc. Foods like eggs, avocado, olive oil, and pumpkin seeds all help regulate testosterone. Number 4. Cut out these killers. Avoid alcohol, processed sugar, and seed oils. They tank T levels fast. And number 5. Consider supplements or TRT. Natural boosters like ashwagandha, vitamin D, or trusted testosterone boosters can help. But if your levels are clinically low, consult a doctor about testosterone replacement therapy. Don't self-diagnose. Low testosterone doesn't just make you feel older, it robs you of who you are. But now, you know how to fight back. Subscribe for more powerful health content and take control of your energy, strength, and performance today.